Introducing the RockPro Windshield Rock Chip Repair Commercial System that makes dangerous and unsightly rock chips for your fleet or commercial vehicles a thing of the past. In under 10 minutes, you can restore windshields to a pristine condition without the hassle of taking your truck or fleet to a shop or having to make insurance claims. For only $49.99, the RockPro Windshield Rock Chip Commercial System comes with 10 repair cartridges and the patented RockPro Window Chip Repair Device, as well as a large pit and corner adapter. RockPro's sturdy design and resin cartridge replacement system means that you never need to buy a new device again for your truck or commercial fleet. The RockPro system comes with hot and cold weather resin cartridges for repairs in all climates, and our patented design and window repair system sets us apart in both quality of repair and ease of use. Do not let rock chip repair cost you more time and money than necessary. Choose the highest quality commercial DIY product on the market for a fraction of the price of the professionals. RockPro, for clearer days ahead.